ready to empower your child with essential money skills from a young age. Let's dive into the NatWest Junior Account, why you're a fantastic tool for teaching kids about managing their own money responsibly. The NatWest Junior Account is designed for children aged 11 to 15, acting as their first real bank account. It's a gateway to learning about saving, spending, and the value of money, all under your watchful eye. One of the biggest benefits is teaching financial independence. Your child gets their own debit card, allowing them to make purchases at shops and online, giving them hands-on experience in managing their funds. Of course, you can set daily spending limits to ensure they stay within budget. Parental controls are a key feature. Through your own NatWest mobile banking app, you can monitor your child's account activity in real time. You'll see every transaction, helping you guide their spending habits and have conversations about their financial choices. The account also encourages saving. Your child can deposit money from pocket money, gifts, or birthday cash. Plus, they can set savings goals within the app, making the process of saving for something they really want more engaging and rewarding. Think of this account as a living lesson in financial literacy. It's not just about holding money. It's about understanding how to use it wisely, how to save for the future, and how to make thoughtful spending decisions. The sooner they learn, the better prepared they'll be. From learning to budget to understanding the concept of interest, the NatWest Junior Account provides a safe and supportive environment for your child to develop crucial life skills. It's a step towards building responsible financial habits that will benefit them for years to come. Teach your child valuable money skills with the NatWest Junior Account. It's more than just a bank account. It's a foundation for a financially savvy future. Visit NatWest online to learn more.